Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Welcome to another video. I'm just going for a walk in the park. So, just a quick little one here. Really need some exercise and fresh air. Kind of in a hurry, but tight schedule, but I just had to stop for a quick hike. Little walk in the park. I am in Parks, Arizona, at the rest area here. Get it? Parks, Arizona. Walk in the park. Get it? See what I did there? Anywho, I got a stupid sense of humor, y'all. Y'all know that. Anywho, there's a rest area, and it looks like part of it's closed here. Oh, a lot of it's closed actually. So it's a rest area, just west. Just west of Flagstaff, Arizona, on I-40. It's Parks, Arizona, and oh, this is pretty. It feels so good. I'm glad I did this. And it used to be a full rest area here, and there's restrooms, picnic tables. There's trails with markings, different signs and stuff, that interpretive signs and stuff, and they've kind of let it run down. I don't know why. It's too bad, but oh, this is pretty. A little bit of snow too, but they kind of let it run down, and they've actually closed it. It's just open for truckers, for parking and to sleep, taking breaks and stuff like that. And I've stopped here before, done little hikes here and videos. Haven't stopped for a while. Again, I'm kind of in a hurry. My load of turkey to get it to California tomorrow morning. Got a couple more hours to drive. I'm going to try to get to Kingman or Yucca and then shut her down for the day. But I've been kind of slacking on my exercise, and I got to get it back and walk in and hike in, and oh, this feels good. I'm so glad I did this. Quick little walk here, walk in the woods, walk in the park, little hike, little ramble here. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see what I'm seeing here. So Arizona is not my favorite state. It's all desert, but in northern Arizona, Flagstaff to Williams area, it's gorgeous. There's cedar and pine trees and woods and mountains and snow and cooler temps. It's really pretty up here. Now they got part of this fenced off, but a lot of it's still open. I'm just going to ramble around a little bit here. It's about 47 degrees. Yeah, it was 0 yesterday morning when I woke up. Where was I yesterday morning? I don't remember. Nebraska, Kansas, somewhere in there. It was like 0. Today it's been in the 70s going across New Mexico and Arizona. And but now it dropped because I'm up about 7,000 feet here. And yeah, it's about 47 degrees. It feels great. Blue sky, sunshine, green trees, huge pine cones all over, a little bit of snow. I'm just going to ramble a little bit here. I mean, I'm going to quit rambling. I'm just going to ramble around the woods and let you see here. I got my day pack on, my 511 Rush 12. I got my just a little walkie-talkie for emergency, and I got my Spot Messenger on, and yeah, I've got my essentials in there for a hike, day hike. Quick little ramble here. So I'm going to turn the camera around and just walk around a bit, share it with y'all. Oh yeah, this is gorgeous. Yeah, they got barbed wire fence. Well, I mean, there's bears and animals and everything up in here, but they've kind of let the rest area run down. It's really too bad, because it's just gorgeous area, and it was a nice rest area. It's still a great place for trucks to park, and it's always quiet here because there's not a lot of cars or people. But yeah, heading over that way, I mean, that goes up into the mountains. What is it? I forgot the name of it. I think it's Humphrey Peak. Is that the big one on the north side of Flagstaff? Oh, look at this. It's just gorgeous. I mean, even the snow. I don't like driving in the ice and snow, but having a little bit on a hike is just beautiful. I'm in a t-shirt, and it's in the 40s. And I mean, boy, I could ramble around for hours here if I had the time, but I don't. But I can go around a little bit. Oh, this is gorgeous. Huge pine cones. Oh, it's just gorgeous in here. Oh, yeah. Take the time, y'all. Take the time. Like I always say, live life fully. Take time every day to be active. Do what you can when you can. Okay, I think I'm over to, oh yeah, see there's a little bench over there. See, there's trails back in here. Ooh, the ground is soft here. But see, they have these all kinds of interpretive signs on the trail here. Kind of cool. Oh, there's another one down here. Yeah, so, oh, you know what? I'm gonna stop here someday. Let's see. Well, going home, I'm on the other side of the highway. There's a park over there too, but it's not like this one. The next time I'm going westbound and I have some extra time, a couple hours, I'm gonna stop here and just spend a couple hours. It's just refreshing. Yeah, I'll walk back this way. Again, I don't have a lot of time, but yeah, I mean, this is less than 30 minutes that I'm taking here, but it's better than nothing. And it feels great to have my pack on. I try to put my day pack on every time I go for a run or a walk or a hike. I like to always be prepared, and it just feels good. What I usually do when I go for hikes, it's just a habit. I make a video every time I go for a hike because I like to share with people. And what I do is I make a video and then I put that on my YouTube channel, and I also take a bunch of pictures and I put the pictures on my Facebook page. So, and for friends on Facebook, you'll see pictures of the little hike here, and if you watch my YouTube channel, you'll see the video. So yeah, it feels good. Thank you, Jesus. I almost didn't stop. I'm in a hurry. I got miles to cover still today, but I've been driving a lot. Just feels so nice. Refreshing. Exercise, fresh air, enjoying God's creation. It's good for the bones and the muscles and the lungs and the heart and everything. Boy, there's a lot of footprints in here. I don't know what those are. It's probably a dog, but you never know. You just never know. Head back to my truck. Yeah, so I'm kind of half on the trail and half not. Oh, isn't that pretty? Yep. You can screenshot any of these pictures or in the video if you want to read or see them more. Oh, so nice. Look at this. Somebody did a snowman. That's cool. Parks Nature Trail. Huh. Okay. Get off the trail. I like to be off trail now and then. Okay. I don't know much about footprints, paw prints, all that stuff. But I'm pretty sure 5 toes is a bear. And I think that was 5 toes. I might be mistaken, but anywho. You gotta love it. You just gotta love it. Oh, yeah. Well, thanks for joining me in this quick little walk in the park, little ramble. Oh, my favorite way to hike when it's in the 30s, 40s at the most. Even 20s is nice. Cool day, sunshine, no breeze, and a little bit of snow. You gotta love it. You just gotta love it. But yeah, see, there's picnic areas, there's restrooms, and everything is kind of not really used anymore. But because of that, it's always pretty quiet here. Yeah, pretty cool. Boy, I wish I had time. I'd stay overnight here and come out here and cook a little steak. I got a little steak in the truck to cook on a new little cast iron pan my wife got me. I want to try. Boy, that would be fun. Cook out here and make a coffee in the morning. Well, maybe next time. I'm gonna get back to my truck. Keep on trucking. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Yeah. Live life fully, y'all. Do what you can, stay active, go for a hike, or at least a walk.